So today, I will be talking about my pricing strategy for my business, Meta Designs. First off, pricing is very vital to a business. A business can use a variety of pricing strategies when selling a product or service. The price can be set to maximize profitability for each unit sold from the market overall. As I said, for my previous product strategy, the segment that I choose to pursue is a freelance graphic designer. Now, as a freelance graphic designer, the approach that I wanted to do is a value-based pricing. Now, compared to other graphic designers that prices based on an hourly rates, mine is value-based pricing. It is a pricing strategy which sets prices primarily, but not exclusively, according to the perceived or estimated value of a product or services to the customer rather than according to the cost of the product or historical prices. For my business, I offer two services, which is Photoshop and video editing. The price rates for my Photoshop is we have custom image that costs 100 peso, portrait retouch that costs 225 peso, photo color correction which is 1,125, and lastly, old photo restoration that costs 4,980. Now, I understand that color correction and old photo restoration may be a bit expensive. However, it does require more intricate work. Next is a video edit. My price rate is a starting price of 500 for a minimum of 4-minute video. It includes transition, fixed sounds, and effects. Now here is a sample solution for a break-even quantity of one of my service, which is photo editing. I choose to use custom image as an example. This solution is a monthly base. So we have fixed cost, which is the sum of depreciation of laptop plus my internet expense. My depreciation of laptop is 5,000 plus my internet expense, that is 999 per month, and it is equal to 5,999. Next, we have a variance cost for my laptop repair, which is 500 peso. Pricing is, again, I used one of my lowest price rate for my Photoshop, which is a custom image. It is cost of 100 peso. Now, to get the break-even quantity, we will divide the fixed cost over the difference of variance cost and pricing. Here we have 5,999 divided by 500 minus 100, and it will give you an answer of 14. Therefore, given the cost, variable cost, and selling price of the photo edit, I would need to produce 14 custom image to break even, which I think is fair and possible to do. So that's it. Thank you.